engine on a Ford Kuga. This one's a 2013 one, and this happens a lot, and your garages will tell you, oh, you've got to replace the DPF sensor, or you've got to replace the turbo. No, you don't. See this bit here? This bit of plastic, it just comes out with a pull. Now then, a faulty bit, you look down here, the bit that always causes this crappy miles per gallon and failure of the turbo, and it all goes sluggish and your engine light comes on, is this bit here. Now they call it a MAP sensor. It should be AF MAF sensor, MAP Manifold Air Pressure, or MAF Manifold Air Flow. This is actually sort of the pressure or sort of the flow. Anyway, it's got one of these little sort of torquey bit things in it. Let's pull it out. I've had to do this before because, being in Wales, we crawl around at stupid speed. Let's just check which one I've got in here. Not that one. It's gonna be... no, not that one. So it's gonna be... not that one. I'll get there eventually. You just have to find the right one to go in there. Next one down, which is a number 5. Here we go. Number 5 hexagon head. Right. How do I make that turn around? Well, in this nice little piece of kit. Little socket driver. This is how complicated it is. You can also do this with a funny little right angle Allen key. This is what an Allen, it's a number 5 Allen key. So you undo this bit. Don't drop this down inside the engine. A really good place to put it is up there. It's like, that's a little holder cup for it, specially made by Ford to hold it. Now look at the state of that. It's all oily and greasy and well fucked up. How stupid is that, do you think? Can't remember how to get these things off. Don't even need to take that one off really. That's definitely on there. But now what we do is can of electrical cleaner. Now yeah, got some nice metal down there. Right, now what you do is you just give that a squirt of electrical cleaning spray, just like that. Try not to drop the little white. Right. That's a little nozzle thing, squirting it into little tiny holes. But basically, that's it. Now you can see that that is now a hell of a lot cleaner. That electrical spray isn't going to do very much to the input of a diesel, apart from maybe give it a boost. But that little tiny bubble thing in there has to vibrate in the airflow, or it doesn't sense anything. Let me put that back in again. And we screwed it back in again. Right, there we are, back on, definitely. Let me get this piece here, line up all the little wiggly bits, quick guide of that one and that one in the right place. It's all in the right place. There you go, that's it. That's it fixed. Now then, if you've had a fault code, the garage are probably going to tell you something insane like, bring it down to us and we'll read the fault codes for you on our super expensive fault code reader, and we'll charge you £150 for the privilege. No, don't do that. Don't go there. That is really not what it's for. Their fault code reader will read the fault code, but the easiest way of getting rid of it, right, come watch this. I know that's going to be right, that's why I closed it down. Jump in the front of the car. It's going to tell me that the door's open in a second. Now then, you can start the car normally with the, tells me the driver's door open. Yeah, I know it is. Right, and turn it off. If you've got any fault codes at all in your car, turn on the ignition.
Sync has connected to your phone and is reminding you that emergency assistance is set to off.
That's the car nagging me that my phone's connected. Now, press the brake and the accelerator pedal. Service, oil reset in progress. I don't need oil because I checked it earlier on. Reset complete. It says service oil. That is bullshit because my oil was done with an oil change less than 5,000 miles ago. Reset complete. Take that off there. Start it again. As normal, and your car will now drive with the turbo without the engine light going on.
To your
And this thing has done 71,271 miles. I get about 38.1 miles per gallon fiffling round in these 20-mile-an-hour limits in Glenapply. If I do manage to sort of get a bit further, I'm up to about 45, 48 miles per gallon. As long as you keep that sensor clean, you'll get decent miles per gallon. If you don't keep that one clean, your miles per gallon will be shit. Take my word for it. That's sort of poetry, isn't it? Okay, that's all from me and my sweet little Kuga called Wiggy. Thanks to my cameraman, Zach. And I'll sign off, and you can watch this one later to your heart's content.